Okufa kwa Sydney kwatukanze nnyo, tubadde very sad ffenna kubanga Uganda efiiriddwa nnyo mu bintu eby'okuzannya, mob injustice, okuba nti yabadde so innocent acrossinga luguudo, abantu ababbi ensawo balala ate ne babbouncinga ku ye bodaboda ne bamukuba ne bamutta. Naye kino kituwa eye opener to us nti abantu bangi nnyo abattibwa nga bali innocent.
Papa told us Sydney will not come back even when we finish investigation. But it serves three things. One, to send a message to those intending to do the same. Two, to punish the culprits. And that will be the justice that we want. So we have suspects. We are continuing to view our CCTV. We are picking more at different places. Somebody should learn a lesson from this. Somebody should learn a lesson from the death of Sydney. May the soul of Sydney rest in peace.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.